Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Munifatun. I am come from East of Java, Indonesia. I am Muslim. I am 42 years old. I am divorced. I have one daughter. She is 17 years old. My height 162 cm. My weight 55 kg. I have experience in Singapore 7 years and Jakarta 2 years. My job general housework, take care elderly, cooking, ironing, and marketing. I can cook like steamed fish, steamed egg, steamed chicken, curry, rendang, and soup. I can handle and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I'm Muslim. I want to go Hong Kong because I want earn more money to my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you soon in Hong Kong. Bye bye.